Question is, who presides over the sitting of Rajya Sabha? Answer, Vice President. Question, who was the first women Prime Minister of India? Answer, Indira Gandhi. Question, who was the first women Chief Minister of India? Answer, Sushita Kripalani. Question, which is the largest state in India? Answer, Rajasthan is the largest state. Question, which is the smallest state in India? Answer, Goa is the smallest state in India. Question, who said that Earth revolves around the sun? Answer, Copernicus. Question, who started the Al Hilal newspaper in 1912? Answer, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Question, who started the Qutb Minar in India? Qutb Minar in India. Answer, Qutbuddin Aibak. Question, who was built Taj Mahal which is in India? Answer, Shah Jahan. Question is, which country have three famous names? Answer, India, Bharat, Hindustan. Question is, Azruddin, the famous character, belongs to which country? Answer is, he belongs to an India. Question is, who was the first president of India? Answer, Rajendra Prasad. Question is, who was the George Washington, a famous person? Answer, President of United States of America. Question, who was known as the Indian Napoleon? Answer, Samudra Gupta. Question, who was the father of Lord Ram? Answer, King Dasaratha. Question, which was the first female ruler of India? Answer, Razia Sultan. Question, who was the first Home Minister of India? Answer, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question, who is the largest milk producer in the world? Answer is India.